Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make cornbread spaghetti, a delightful twist on a classic. This dish combines hearty spaghetti with a sweet or savory cornbread topping, creating a truly unique and comforting casserole. We'll go through each step, from preparing the flavorful meat sauce to baking the perfect cornbread topping, ensuring you can easily recreate this delicious meal at home. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic new family favorite. Let's start by crafting the heart of our dish, the savory meat sauce. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large skillet until it's no longer pink. Drain any excess fat, then add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant. Next, stir in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Season with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and salt and pepper to your liking. Let this delicious sauce simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly come together. Now, let's prepare the golden cornbread topping that makes this dish so special. Take 1 box of your favorite cornbread mix and follow the package instructions to prepare the batter. Make sure to mix it until it's smooth and free of any lumps, ensuring a consistent texture when baked. For a touch of sweetness, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the batter. If you prefer a savory topping, consider mixing in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Set this delicious batter aside for just a moment. It's time for the grand finale, assembly and baking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your cooked spaghetti evenly in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Next, pour the savory meat sauce over the spaghetti, making sure every strand is well coated. Then, carefully spoon the prepared cornbread batter over the meat sauce, spreading it gently to cover the entire top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cornbread is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy your amazing cornbread spaghetti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.